Give me the freaking gun! What the heck? I can't pick it up.
Ayun, sis Barbara. Yun ang baby, ha? Sakali, baby ni mo ni, ha?
Merry Christmas to you too!
Hindi
Let's
si
go
baby
to
tayo mo,
Fortnite
not
Funny
baby
85's house. Because there's a surprise for you.
Ni, ikaw ka, si baby tayo mo. Ni mo balangga, ha? Baliktan mo kasi kuya, balangga ni si princess.
Merry Christmas!
Happy birthday.
What?
Nugget.
Ano lang?
Anyways, are you guys ready to open some presents?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go open some presents.
Ay, ibigtan na ka na.
Wait a minute. Where are all the presents?
Present? Oh yeah. I forgot to put them under the tree.
Bruh.
Man, what?
So where did you put them?
Nagmuhilak na si
I hid
Princess,
them
oh.
around the map because I thought it was Easter.
Ramon.
Come on.
Well, I guess the presents will be delayed. Gamer, will you help us find the presents? They should be hidden around the map.
Tanang tulungan tayo.
Uy, Zach. Say, tanggal.
Welcome back. Did you find any presents?
Oh, dito na kaagi ito.
Something else.
What?
Excuse.
Hey! It's the evil gift.
Wait, you know this guy?
Well,
What the heck is that?
oh no! They are taking our friends!
Wala, sa regalo pa. Ay, oh, ikaw sila.
Hey, player,
Very nice. Thank you
are you
so
okay
much.
there? What the heck happened?
Sino sa pinasabira?
Oh well, whatever the case,
Sino sa
we need to get out of here.
Naman siya iyahang lang. Ano, daghang mo ni?
We keep pushing this cage. Get out of here. Let's do it together. Ready?
9 years old na ko ka. Over 9 years,
Let's
na
go.
ka nadawat sa mga ilang bulo o pag-shoot. Oh, kuya pa ka. Hindi ko kinagulang mga ako. Ininiglaw mo lang ako kumain.
Out.
Kadili yung tabi mo yaw-yaw.
It's not working. Don't worry, I'll help you out. Okay, just help me push to that direction. 3, 2, 1, go!
Artist lang ako.
You, come on! Let's get out of here! We still need to find our friends! I'll follow you! Be quick! Don't worry, I'll be fast this time. Bro left me. Whoa! You found a gift? That's good! At least we have something for our friends!
Nahabol akong ginahabolan natin mga...
What the heck is this place?
Basta lagi palit ni mga blue. Ano na ito ni gamito?
Wala lagi ng suker eh.
Basta lagi Kuan si pangutot. Kanana po.
Well, this is interesting. What even are cool? Another gift. Let's keep it for later.
Be, sige di ka pangutot.
Bro left me.
Sige di ka pangutot, be. Ha? Ako lang nga. Pangutot ko, be. Ha? Ito, ha? 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 Bukan lagi ka ron. Ha? Tata? Ha? Pagparang na ka ba sa matumba ni?
Baka mo di daddy.
Ano ka? Magtrabaho na ko.
Baka mo daddy. Bye-bye daddy.
Bye-bye. Love you.
Kuan mo sa losa na dito na. Bye daddy.
Yup.
Agay, iyan na siya tayo nga ni Teo yan. Pag hinahanga ka ba? Hindi ko maglingkod. O magtundog. Kaya ginakamay, ginapa ko kamamang ano mo. Kulob sa ka, kulob. O, ikaw na nalang kuloban eh. O, tayo ni isa. Sige. Tayo ni ka.
Can we reach the door now?
Tama! Dito ka sa mga tita.
Wait, I will help you. Try hopping on my head.
Balangga ko. Pwede niyo ba na?
Hey, where are you going? Come on and help us out of here.
Ay, mga medisina. Dito si Paul. Kumano sa medisina namin.
We did it. Look at this place. Hey, look. Another door. Let's do the same thing later. Come on, hop on my head. Ate, it's locked. Huh.
Hindi say, Mama.
How about over there? A fence. Come follow me. Come on my head. You might be able to open the door for me.
What's your big naman me? You're so big.
What happened? It's blocked by something. Let me have a look. I might be able to push it. Come push me up.
Uy! Si taas, Diamond tulog. Di si Princess, asa man? Asa man ako patungkol si Princess?
I made it.
Ha?
Okay, stay right here.
Hindi na kay
I'll
Diamond.
be back.
Kasi mamangod. Dalaw na to sa Princess. Kasi sa Diamond sa taas. Dito na siya kuya. Bulaga! Bada bada! Ano na lang mo manghod si Diamond? Dito ka daw manghod na ni mo ni?
Ano rin ibang anak?
Hey,
Ang anak ni mo?
Aba.
Ano rin yun? Ano rin mga anak mo?
over here. I will open the door if I can.
Akong biyer ko na punta ko nandun. Ha? Ngalagan ko no?
Player, I did it. Let's go.
Ipadaghan ng viewers.
Okay, we're in a room. Bro left me.
Kuya na das Diamond sa mua.
does this ever end? Like what does this gift for bro even need these rooms for?
Ay, kamu kaluhag mo kay ka.
Whoa! What the heck is that? Hey, over there! I'll help you up. Don't worry about the monster. Just try to sneak. Bro backtracked.
Back.